Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Unplug the fan and remove the guard using a screwdriver or 3mm hex key. Set the guard and screws on a clean surface to avoid loss. Inspect the blade hub, guard screws, and motor shaft for visible play or wobble. Spin the blade by hand and feel for side-to-side movement or rubbing. Check the power cord anchor and base screws for looseness or wear before reassembly. Note any stripped threads, missing washers, or cracked plastic parts needing replacement. Remove the blade and fan cap to expose the blade nut and shaft threads. Tighten the blade nut with a 1/4-inch wrench until snug but not over-tightened to avoid deformation. Replace missing washers, use a flat washer and lock washer on the shaft for improved clamping. If threads are stripped, apply a medium-strength thread locker or install a nylon insert lock nut. For damaged shafts, replace the shaft or use a properly sized helicoil insert. Reinstall the blade, cap, and guard in the correct order and hand-tighten all visible screws. Reassemble the fan and run it at low speed for 5 minutes to test stability and listen for noise. Place the fan on a flat surface and observe for wobble or vibration at different speeds. If wobble persists, balance blades using a clip and 10-gram weights per blade until rotation is smooth. Tighten guard screws with a slight torque and recheck the power cord anchor for strain relief. Schedule a quick inspection every 3 months to catch loosening early and prolong fan lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.